I still remember getting laid off. Fuck it, we can have a face off. I don't really see the competition. I can break it down for you, pay attention. We done came a long way from that block. Yeah, I know they been waiting on this to drop. You can keep that bullshit, my nigga. We don't wanna hear it. Keep me away from sucker shit, Lord. Keep me nowhere near. I done paid my dues. I broke some rules. Somehow I done made the news. I know niggas pray I lose. So hell no, we ain't playing cool. We ain't playing fair. How the fuck you gon' learn something if you always talking? It be the brokest motherfuckers that be the main ones. You empty pocket motherfuckers always got something to say. Let the beat talk. I ain't never taking days off. I'ma work till it pay off. I still remember getting laid off. Fuck it, we can have a face off. I don't really see the competition. I can break it down for you, pay attention. Had to work my wrist to get that check. Get that check, nigga. Everybody telling me I'm next. I know I'm next, but I'm really feeling like I'm right now. Slow it down. Crystal in my cup, that's what we pouring now. Take a moment and thank the Lord, the blessings coming down. God, I just wanna tell you thank you. They keep pouring down, cause we ain't had no hope. The OGs locked up or dead and gone. We ain't had no guidance. Nobody showed us right from wrong. How can you blame a nigga that came from nothing? Talk to him, nigga.